Hello friends, my name is Jay Sarthi. Today we are going to see how we are going to connect a temperature sensor and blink for blink red LED and green LED for the given temperature 20 and 300. I can go to Tinkercad and I have already made every once. First I have placed Arduino Uno and I took a mini breadboard and I took two LED lights respectively green and red because red and green given in a question, and I took a temperature sensor and placed here middle. Now we are connecting this anode to 11th pin and red color LED anode to 9th pin. It's your wish, you can connect to any pins, and I'm taking this green cathodes wire to ground and red cathodes wire to ground. Now we can see temperature. Temperature it has three pins, namely power, volts and ground. Power we are connecting to volt 5 volt power of Arduino, and ground we are connecting to ground of the Arduino board, and out we are connecting to analog knot A knot, first knot of it, first pin of it. So now we can see that we can modify the code a little bit. Going to text mode, we can change in text mode. So first we can begin a word, keyword to begin a serial begin. Yeah. Next we are going to make changes in void to, that is we are going to write a temperature, input temperature, and we want to read it. So I'm giving temperature is equal to analog read A naught, and I want to print the temperature, so I'm giving serial dot print temperature. Okay, serial dot print long. And length, I'm giving a small delay of 1000 milliseconds. Yeah. Next we want to give the if statement for both temperature. In question they are given 20 and 300. So we are going to write if state, if condition, that is if temperature equal to frequency and temperature equal to 300 digital. Yeah, we don't need to change anything, just as default it's there. So we want to just change the pin number for giving the output. First, we are writing this ninth pin, sorry, ninth pin. Braces are important for executing. Next else statement, open the braces, and same thing in else, just change the pin number. Above we gave 9, now we want to give just 11th pin number which you have connected, so that we can get the output. Simple program. Yeah, and we correct with this. Yeah, and okay, closing the statement. Yeah, we check every indentation before executing. We mention the while loop, and we also mention the condition, if condition for ninth pin and else condition for another pin respectively. So now we can start the simulation to get the output. Yeah, yeah. Sorry guys. Serial monitor, see the temperature is printing. You know, It's blinking. Oh, it's not blinking. Wait a second. We for connection we forgot. Uh, the color so that we can distinguish. Yeah. Okay. Everything is all reset, right? Yeah. Now we can start the simulation and see. Hmm. In serial monitor. Yeah. Now let's stimulate and see. We increase the brightness of the monitor. Ah, we change the temperature. Sorry. Open the serial monitor first. Yeah. And we check the. Whenever the output temperature is 20, the red light is blinking, and when it is remaining temperature, green light is blinking. 300. If you keep it 300, then you can see the red light blinking. Uh, Our output is achieved successfully. Thank you, friends.